Hey everybody, Big Poppa here, and those of you in the competition world know James the Flame here. James, my partner in cooking and helps me in everything. And how many years now?
10 years.
10 years, that's a lot of fun. Well, we feed a lot of people on the comp circuit, and whenever we do Mexican food, we do James family salsa. And I asked him if we could cook it today for the tacos we're doing. And he said, yeah, and of course, he told me how he was going to do it, and I've completely changed the recipe. So what we have here, though, is we have white onions with Roma tomatoes. What are these peppers?
Chile güeros.
Are these called Anaheim or just yellow?
Yellow peppers.
Okay, yellow
Yellow
peppers.
chiles.
And then
Serranos.
Serrano.
Those are a little bit harder than the yellow ones.
All right, hold on. Serrano.
We got to roll R's. Serranos.
Look at this. Hallelujah. So let's start. We've got this sprayed pan. Keep it from sticking. What we're going to do is we're going to roast it first. We're going to roast it with the Twin Eagles. We'll have it on dome temperature, about 400 degrees. We'll cook it for about 10 or 12 minutes, and then we'll stir them up to get that caramelization. We'll just get a little roasted flavor in it. So let's start with the onions, James. Okay, here we go. But James, you like the white onions, huh?
I like the white onions. To me, it always give it that little extra flavor. So,
Man, it's all about flavor, and especially salsa. Now with salsa, because you normally boil your peppers, right?
you boil up peppers, exactly.
Okay, and we're not going to do that. We're going to roast them. And what we learned from doing this before, roasting them, is they comes out a lot spicier. So we'll break these up. Let me show you what we're going to do here. Because if you want a way to control the heat of your salsa is the amount of seeds. So I'll show you here. We cut the tip off. We cut them down the middle. Now, why I like gloved hands for this is I'm going to take my thumb and just scrape the seeds out and the white tine, the white stripes. We're going to keep it bigger pieces, but we're going to put it in the Vitamix blender. Now I'm going to take these Roma tomatoes that I've just cut the end off. Let's give them a little smaller pieces just because of the pan. Here comes a secret weapon. Hallelujah. So what I'm going to do, James, I'll spread it on there and ask you to mix it up, and I'll give it another coat. Now salsa is so great because it's so easy, but also has the ability to take on a lot of different character, whether it's a very mild and mellow pico de gallo, whether it's a really heavily roasted one, whether it's one with dry chilies. Okay, I think we're ready to go outside with it.
Oh, man. That smell, Sterling.
I wish we had smell-o-vision on this camera. Okay, let's bring them in and do our thing. This is beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here, we're going to scrape some of this off the pan, and with the Vitamix, pulse setting. So here we go. James's family likes it hot. I don't remember it being this hot, James. All right, so I'm gonna add a little water to it, and I'm gonna just simmer it for about 20 minutes, and then we'll put it away. Okay, we've simmered it. James, you better get some chips. Look at, it's almost like I planned this. Look at that. Look at this. Let's see if this see if you'd serve this to your family.
But it's good.
Oh yeah. James.
I like it.